with composable architectures and businesses today where they're trying to aim for the best in class for each of those core service offerings, whereas before you're kind of given an all-in-one solution, that today with a platform like Viax where you can pick and choose those services or offerings, it's a little bit more palatable to the business to be able to say, we can just bite off this one chunk, like you said, and then migrate that piece and see how it goes, then rather than buy a whole license for a whole platform, take a couple of years to migrate and then realize it was a mistake. So I think that's a big benefit as to the modularity that it provides.
Yeah, and Thomas, if I can add to that, it's if you think about the current state of B2B, it's a lot of huge ERP systems, and those ERP systems, while they're great at accounting and pricing and quoting and doing invoicing, Viax provides some of those capabilities, so it's easy to dip your toe into it, say, hey, can we do a sub ledger? And just even from a different point of view, from a team point of view, you're moving from application specific, this is part of the composable journey, you're moving from application specific engineers to platform engineers. So this means you can take your engineers and make them excited about new technologies, using serverless, using edge functions. And one of the things that Viax opened up the possibility is hey, we're going to do serverless integrations, and I don't have to worry about my team spinning up a virtual private cloud in AWS or extra cost. We can deploy this code directly from our GitHub into Viax, and that's what made the proof of concept so easy. That's what made the time to market so quick.